Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe if you guys want to see more art and food and beauty hacks. As you guys can see, I am using green duct tape for my backsplash to cover the rack, and I do have two pieces of sheer fabric, one that is pink and then one that is ivory gold. And as you can see, I'm having too much fun with these fabrics. Yeah, I'm having too much fun. I can't. This is the rack that I have, a rack that I'm not using. It's about as tall as me. And I did get all of these flowers from Dollar Tree. So much flowers that, oh my goodness. Most of the colors that I got were pinkish and, you know, more neutral colors. But I do have other flowers that I'm going to add as well. Now we're going to start off with the duct tape. That's the base of the backsplash. You can put anything on your backsplash. You can put stars, hearts. I'm deciding to go with a Garden of Eden look. And as you can see, I'm putting the duct tape all the way across and then cutting it on both sides just to hug the rack. And you're going to want to put the duct tape all the way across and all the way down. What I did was I overlapped some of the duct tape because it will hold stronger when I go to put stuff on top of it. Actually, I'm putting stuff through it. What you want to do now is take all of your flowers off of your stem and set them aside so it's easier for you to just stick them on. Now what I did is poked holes in the duct tape to make spots to put the flowers through. Now I'm taking a hot glue and I'm putting hot glue around the bottom of the flower, and then I'll be sticking the flower through the hole that I've made. Waiting for the flower to dry on the wall might have took up the most time, but other than that, it only took about 2.5 hours. I did get a lot of different color flowers. I wanted to spread them out evenly, so I used the flowers that I had more of first, which are the light colored flowers. And I am using a mini glue gun, which I'm using the brand Gorilla Glue to glue the flowers onto the backsplash. And you want to space the flowers out evenly, so those are about all the half of the white flowers that I have. I'm going to go in with the pink flowers, and then I'm going to even it out. And I'm putting holes in the duct tape as I go so that every flower is positioned in the right place. So I'll poke a couple holes and then I'll put the flowers in. And as you can see, the flowers are starting to fill in. These court shows be having me rolling. The flowers are starting to fill in. You can add more flowers to yours. For the sake of just wanting to get done, I am probably going to add more flowers to mine later. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that fabric down the middle so I can have curtains on both sides as if we were making a window. So I'm going to go ahead and use the hot glue gun to glue on the pink sheer first. And then I'm going to overlap the pink with the ivory curtain to have an overlapping effect. I'm then going to do the same thing to the other side, doing the pink sheer first and then doing the ivory on top of it. You want to make sure the curtains are as secure as possible so you can add as much glue as you want. Now I'm going to take these blue flowers and I'm going to kind of use them as curtain holders. So what I'm going to do is take the flower and the curtain and I'm going to glue them both to the side of the rack. You can see me on this side better, so I'm going to take a pin and take it through the fabric, which I figured out to do on the other side as well. I'm going to take the stem of the flower, stick it through that hole, and then make another hole through the rag, so everything will be nice and flush. Then I'm going to put glue on the edge of the stem and or around the hole, and then I'm going to hold that there and wait for it to dry. Alright guys, this is the finished product. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions or want me to go over anything that I missed in the video. Here's a sneak peek look into my studio using the backdrop.